Alright guys, so once you signed up, so you will be having like these options. So we are going like specifically for the VC batches. So this is the VC batches. Here, the major thing you need to follow, as we already like mentioned there, you need to make sure like you can just upload the file that has to be the VC dial standard format. So the VC dial standard format that actually comes from your dialer, that is here. You can just like download the file and come here and just choose your file and upload it from there. So once you upload it, put test 1 and then start batching. So make sure whenever you were using the VC batch processing, you need to make sure like you can only upload the files that is you downloaded from your dollar. So it's not gonna take, like if you were like putting any txt files, it only gonna take the VC standard format to get you the results. So now we have the results, see, and then once you download it, so you can use the good statuses. Firstly, we recommend you can use the good statuses, and then you have the undialed records, so it's gonna help you out in sorting out your databases. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care.